You
filming?
Right, just pull.
I'm trying to pull, mate.
Keep pulling. Oh, yeah, my butt's out. Fuck, that hurts.
We've got a cracking video for you guys.
Right there.
Yeah, I think he's about the same.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Oh, what ended?
Yeah, don't want to be dropping that.
That's attached to it, that's a good plan.
Yeah, yeah. I think I should put it
What sort of drop you got the other side now?
My feet are on the floor.
Yeah, so about 5 foot, yeah? 5 foot drop, yeah?
Yeah, about 5 foot, and then but it slopes as you come in. Like,
I don't know if I'm going to fit, honestly. I'll give it a go.
That's a tight gap.
Anyway, I'm trying to think, like, compared to the one we've just done. I'm not sure.
He's wider that way, isn't it? It's just a bit of
Anyone else want to go next, or?
Yeah.
Right. Go on,
Sure, chuck my bag down.
It's quite slippery here. Sorry.
Very lucky.
I don't know if you might need to decode first, I'm not sure. Yeah, the last one was a bitch to get out. Your ribs stuck in. So it might be an idea to de-jack it.
Win-win.
Baz is in.
Can you pass me bits, please? That's the first. You lost your bits.
That's that. That's that. I don't know if I'm honestly going to fit through it. I'll give it a go.
Yeah, you will. I wonder what they used to store in this one.
Can someone pass me bags? That way I've got a torch.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Cheers, dude.
There you go, man. Right, listen to me, guys, and listen carefully.
Yeah.
Right, if I go through it, yeah, and I suddenly holler at you like I'm stuck or it hurts, yeah, push my legs so I can get back out again.
Yeah.
Because otherwise my ribs are going to...
I bet he had it this one out, didn't he?
Oh, no, I won't. I'll put it in, like, it's all part of it. Fuck me, that hurt. I felt like my rib was actually going to fully snap off, like, ah. Right, someone else is going to have to do the footage for this, I'm afraid.
Pass Christopher.
And I'll get it to set my camera up so it films, right?
Yeah, yeah. Hang on, just bear with.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Well hurt, like, I was nearly there, my butt went through, I got through to about here, and then my rib just went clonk, and I was just like, I'm at the wrong angle, it was getting tighter and tighter. I was like, no, that hurts, like.
Crack your rib.
Yeah, Martin.
Right.
Right,
Right, okay, how's that again, dude?
some videos, you just got to change the settings.
Yeah, will do, will do.
Cheers. You want it back now? No, once you're on
Okay, 16.9.
Is there a ladder?
Ultra HD,
just you put your feet
60.
down.
Bit chalky, so mind your footing. What brick?
On it?
It's
slippery floor as well.
Yeah, it's on there, it's all good, man. Buzzer. Yeah, yeah. You just need to press the record button. Nicely done though, man, you got in. I'm all gutted I couldn't get in.
Stairs.
Fucking hell, man.
And then it goes around the corner and goes down about this far again.
I don't want to make it sound really good because Martin's stuck up there.
Yeah. It's awesome, isn't it?
I'm like, cheers, man. Fuck's sake, like. There you go, guys. Unfortunately, can't fit through this gap.
so tiny. Yeah, Nick. Yeah, he went just down there.
That was Chris, and we've had, unfortunately, Martin at the top. See you soon, dude.
Yeah. So guys, everywhere down here is pretty much just a tunnel with corrugated steel around it and steel call them stanchions. Basically a big rectangle with a path down the middle and a little room either end of this first bit. That's on this end. Just through this door. It's capped off. And then down here. Some steps that go up there. These go back up to an entrance that's been blocked off. To the middle half. Back to Barry. So basically the other half is the exact symmetry of the bit I've just shown you.
No. They go the same way, I suppose, don't they?
Yeah, but these are all covered in mud and then goes to like metal, I think.
That's messy out there, doesn't it?
This is well slippery, isn't it? Up here as well.
Yeah,
like,
this is bad, man. Thinking about it, coming out as a bastard. 'Cause you've got nothing.
Joe's going to do it first.
When you look at it, it's like,
Like,
shit balls.
Yeah, because it's bloody slippery mud out here
it
too.
is, yeah, it is. It's not easy. See, look at that. Look how tight that is, guys. He's done well though. He's through it. But this dude is about 2 foot shorter than me, so. Give him his shoes though. He's got a jacket on. You know, the hand.
I don't want it snagging or anything.
Yeah, he said that he
Sliding
didn't want to
down.
like do his coating.
Wrong place to be.
Yeah. There's some idea of Alfred he's like torn the hell out of.
Oh, I'm so happy to be out of the
Do you want me to move out the way? Yeah.
What did you grab onto though?
I didn't grab, but just put your body through, get all your body in, or both arms through, get your back leg,
Yeah.
and push it against
Push
the
it against that
bracing.
metal bit behind you,
Yeah.
and then just keep going. Like, it ain't easy, is it? Like,
Especially
Right.
something
you're a lot further forward than. Yeah, no, you are nearly out.
You're out, actually.
Grab onto my foot if you need to.
I'm
Like,
done, I'm done.
yeah. Any words for the camera there?
If you have heart conditions and breathing problems, don't come down here.
This is quite a bit of a museum piece down there.
Yeah, I reckon so. Yeah.
Actually, everything down here is just it's all dry down and everything.
So World War II, you know, bombs flying around upstairs. Like you can hear like all the planes going over. You don't know if you're gonna like be encased in there, and sort of that's your final resting place. You're like stuck inside, and the entrance has been blown, or if you come out, it's going to be complete devastation. There's just going to be like, you know, wreckage everywhere, like dead bodies and stuff. Like it's not going to be cool. Or you could come out and it'll just be like nothing's happened and it was a lucky escape. Either way, guys, being down there in those tunnels down there, that would have been the safest bet for you.
Got the other two coming up.
All right, let's join them. All right. There we go. They're coming.
Yeah, this is what I was basically looking at.
Oh, man, looks good. There we go.
That's it.
It's just the fun of getting back out.
Oh, you should have seen Jay.
I don't know, I think I was probably the worst, but like, yeah, it's not easy.
Easy as that.
It's a lash, child's play. What are you doing? Leaving Barry in there, or
Yeah, Barry said he's here for the
Barry's comfy? Like,
It's warm.
He
It's
said
nice
just
warm.
drop him a Happy Meal every day for
yeah, Happy Meal. See if we can zoom in and get him coming up.
We didn't look like
Not
shit
so
before,
much.
we do now.
Yeah. Before it was chalks, now it's just bloody
And
everything.
just about see a headlight coming up. Like,
Oh, you've been in no abandoned tunnel.
here he comes. He's coming.
These are
Legend.
Right, it's got trousers over trousers, yeah.
There we go. Give Bowser a thumbs up, guys.
That's epic.
There we go. Right.
This should be fun.
One down.
That's that. Oh, next one.
Land on top of him.
So he's going to have to lock it when he comes out. Isn't
Yeah.
So Does anyone want to grab a picture of him coming out as well?
He came out years ago, mate.
Coming out party.
You've got to do the backwards one.
It's like 4 guys coming out in a tunnel.
I made that look easy.
Nice. Halfway.
Tilt your head right there.
I'll stay there and lock it. Who's
There you
gonna
go.
come?
You're pretty much there, dude. Nice. Like, it's fat shaming, basically. Like,
Well, you had a good Christmas, didn't you?
yeah, that's it. Yeah. That thing that Prince did, and have like my ribs removed, but for a completely different reason. I think he went for the fellatio method, wasn't it? Like, I'm going for like tunnel method. Like,
Doesn't sound much better, does it?
it doesn't. There we go, guys. So I would say we all made it, but we didn't. I epically failed by all these guys behind me. Chris, Barry from De-Evolved, these guys. We've got Joe and Jake from Urbex Abandoned. They've both managed to do it. So happy days. Right, guys, on to the next one.
Check it out.
Click the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos?